Hello. In this video I will show you how to set up appointment with the doctor. You just press appointment button. And in type of consultation I will choose video. I need to choose healthcare provider, practitioner to which I want to consult. Date and time from his available dates and times. In description I can record short preliminary video for the doctor by pressing this small camera button. I press start recording. And this video is sent to the transcription engine, and right now we will see it transcribed into the text. Hello, Mr. Alex, I have a fever, neck pain, with the chest pain and red eyes. Please consult me. Thank you. And we see symptoms extracted: chest pain, fever, neck pain, bloodshot eye. I can define pain level, set the temperature 36.9, and I can attach some file. It can be shot from the camera, photo or video or any file. Let's choose some file. Yeah, and I just press send and doctor will receive my booking request. Here we can see information about the payment. I click send and it's all. Booking was successful. Thank you for watching.